Nerve damage can disrupt daily life, causing pain, tingling, and even loss of sensation. It's a condition that's affecting more and more people every day, especially those dealing with diabetes or autoimmune disorders. But what if I told you there are 7 foods that can naturally repair nerve damage and alleviate these painful symptoms? In today's video, I'm going to reveal the top foods you should be eating to support nerve health and reduce nerve pain. And at the end, I'll share a surprising natural remedy using a common household ingredient, sugar, that has been helping people reverse nerve damage from the comfort of their own home. Want to learn more about this powerful remedy right now? Click the link in the description to watch a short video that explains everything. But first, let's understand why nerve damage occurs and how it affects the body. Nerves are like highways, sending messages from your brain to different parts of your body. When these highways are damaged due to trauma, surgery, or health conditions like diabetes, it can lead to pain, numbness, or even weakness. While medications can help manage symptoms, they don't address the root cause of the problem. That's where the right foods can make a big difference. 1. Salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for reducing inflammation and promoting nerve regeneration. These healthy fats help repair damaged nerves and support overall brain health. Include fatty fish like salmon in your diet a couple of times a week for the best results. 2. Spinach. Spinach is packed with magnesium, which helps regulate nerve function and reduce nerve pain. It's also high in B vitamins, particularly B6 and B12, which are crucial for maintaining healthy nerves. Add fresh spinach to your salads or smoothies to enjoy its benefits. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin can help reduce nerve inflammation and promote nerve repair. To increase absorption, combine turmeric with black pepper or healthy fats like olive oil. And remember, if you want to learn about a natural remedy that uses sugar to support nerve health and reduce nerve pain, click the link in the description below to watch a short video that reveals this surprising method. It's a simple trick that's helping people put an end to their nerve pain naturally. 4. Avocado. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and potassium, all of which support nerve health. It also helps reduce oxidative stress, which can worsen nerve damage. Enjoy avocado on toast or as a side dish to nourish your nerves. 5. Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which protect nerves from oxidative damage. They also have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce nerve pain and promote healing. Add a handful of berries to your breakfast or snack on them throughout the day. 6. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of vitamin B12, which is vital for nerve health. B12 deficiency is one of the leading causes of nerve damage, so including eggs in your diet can help maintain nerve function and support regeneration. If you're looking for a way to reverse nerve damage and alleviate nerve pain naturally, click the link below to watch a short video that explains how you can use a simple remedy at home to support your nerves and reduce pain using sugar. It's quick, easy, and has been providing relief for many people struggling with nerve pain. 7. Walnuts. Walnuts are another great option for supporting nerve health. They contain healthy omega-3 fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants that promote nerve repair and reduce inflammation. Just a small handful of walnuts a day can provide powerful benefits for your nerves. Now, you might be wondering, how can sugar, something typically considered harmful, help reverse nerve damage? The answer lies in a specific way sugar is used to support nerve health and alleviate pain. This technique, when done correctly, can help regenerate damaged nerves and bring relief from chronic nerve pain. Want to learn how to use sugar to improve your nerve health? Click the link in the description now to watch a short video that explains exactly how you can start using this natural remedy at home. It's a game changer for anyone struggling with nerve pain or damage. That's it for today's video. If you want to support nerve health and reduce nerve pain, consider incorporating these 7 foods into your diet. They're packed with the nutrients your nerves need to heal and function properly. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, And don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies. And once again, click the link in the description to learn more about the natural sugar remedy that's helping people reverse nerve damage and end nerve pain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.